What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm going to be laying another wig for you guys, and I'm super excited for this transformation because it just turned out bomb and I'm excited about it. So if you guys have been on my channel before, you know it's typically braiding, dry styling, that type of stuff, but I've been getting really bored, guys. So I have been dabbling in wigs. This is something that I've always wanted to learn. I just never really took the time out to do it. So I took Arrogante's class recently, and I'm just going to be putting to use some of his techniques that he taught because they were extremely helpful. And yeah, I'm just going to start practicing my unit. So you guys should see me getting better and better every single time. So I was super excited for the way that this transformation turned out. I actually ended up going with a wet look, and I really love the way that, yeah, it looked. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. So I'm just laying down my wig cap here, y'all. They be making this look so easy on TikTok. If you guys ever watch the TikToks of people doing their units, they make it look so easy. It definitely takes practice, but I am getting better at this step as well, so I'm super excited about that. So for this wig cap, this is the one that came with the product, and I'm gonna show you guys what hair I'm using in just a second. But y'all know the caps that always come in the box with the girl with the funny looking face. That's the cap that I'm using now, so yeah. So this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. They sent me a 13x4 lace closure unit, and I'm super excited because it came pre-plucked, which is literally my favorite. So this unit is 24 inches in the style deep wave, and I did do some maintenance to it. Even though it already came pre-plucked, I did pluck the hairline just a little bit more to fit my natural hairline, and I also bleached the knots. But as you guys can see, this unit is plucked really well, and I love how natural that hairline looks. That is literally my favorite because, y'all, the less maintenance that I have to do to it, the better for me. I also love how they have the styrofoam behind the hairline because you guys can really see, especially when you're plucking. Arrogante does his with the white towel on his knee, but I thought that this styrofoam made it really easy to also see the hairline. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this, and for my foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm also putting that on the inside of the wig. I did, like I said, bleach the knots, and I thought I was gonna hold that up and show you guys, but I didn't. But the knots bleached very well. It's very natural looking. I'm just kind of putting that on there just for a little bit of extra you know, a little extra blendage. I don't know what to call it. So I am using the I Am Erica J Lay Me Down adhesive. I love it because it dries really quickly, and it's very easy to work with, and it smells bomb, y'all. Like, it literally smells up my whole product cabinet. It's a watermelon scent, which I don't even really like watermelon. I'm not even gonna cap, but it smells super good. So I'm using this. I'm actually only doing 2 layers because I plan to like snatch this wig off. I wasn't gonna keep it on for too long, but it gets tacky really quickly, and so I was able to put that on really nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me lay this wig down. Y'all, I was getting frustrated as I was doing this because, like I said, I'm just really new to this process, and so I'm like, sometimes I do things and I'm like, am I doing this right? Or like, it's not coming out looking like Arrogante. I have to remember, like, I definitely have to go through that beginner stage and like just, you know, keep working at it. So I'm excited to share my results with you guys. So here I'm just doing some extra plucking on my sides and on that middle part, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And this is actually something that I could have done before putting the unit on, and I would recommend that. And then for my baby hairs, I was going for very much Diera vibes. Like, I wanted them to be super dramatic. Part of the reason for that was because I was having a hard time laying the lace. Like I said, I just have to get used to it. So yeah, I just wanted to do something crazy with my baby hairs that would also help me to hide that lace. But it actually turned out looking fire, so I'm not mad at that. So to get that wet look, I'm going to be using a combination of water, which is what you guys saw me spray on there. This is just a setting foam, and then I'm going to go in with Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink, and that's just going to help to keep this unit elongated and really looking wet. And I love, love, love the wet look. Eventually it does dry, but it'll kind of like stay in this pattern with a little gloss to it, and that's really what I wanted. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. So these are what the curls look like when they're wet, and I wanted to show you guys how long this unit was, because even with the curls, it is a true 24, and I absolutely love that. So yes guys, let's get into this finished look. I went for the wet look. It was a hit, period. If you guys like this unit, let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description section so you guys can purchase this unit. I'm telling you guys, it was so easy to work with, and I love the fact that the unit already came prepped. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and showing support and love on my channel. I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?